Let's take a quick look at this YouTube channel called Rebel AI. Right now, the channel has over 500,000 subscribers. We can also see that it has uploaded 444 videos so far. The views the channel has gained are beyond imaginable. The best part is that the videos on this channel are created entirely using AI, and the channel is already monetized. We can see that this channel is currently earning a good monthly income. In the past 27 days alone, it has gained around 200 million views, and it has also managed to gain close to 100,000 new subscribers. Now, let's look at the content. Almost all of the videos feature kids eating various types of food, and that's what has attracted hundreds of thousands and even millions of views. That's clearly visible. The main reason this channel has grown so well is its unique niche and smart use of AI tools. You too can start a successful YouTube channel like this by following similar steps. Now let's check some of the most popular videos on the channel. This one has over 150 million views, another one has 150 million too, another one has 110 million, and another with 73 million, and so on. Almost every video made using AI has gained millions of views, which is amazing to see. So if you watch today's video till the end, you'll understand exactly how you can use these AI tools to create 100% free YouTube videos just like this and start your own successful channel. The first step is generate images. First, go to this YouTube channel and take a screenshot like this. After that, go to Google and search for ChatGPT. Then, visit the site like this. Paste the screenshot you captured in this way. After that, give it this kind of prompt. Give me a 5 image prompts for generate these types of images, 100% same images. Then you'll see that it gives you 5 beautiful prompts like this, which you can use to generate your image. Today, we'll be using a free tool called Leonardo to generate our images. After signing into the website, you'll see an interface like this. Then, click once on the image option. Paste the first prompt we previously generated into the prompt box. On the left side, select the model as Phoenix 1.0, and also select Dynamic as the style. Choose your desired resolution and size as well. Then, click the purple Generate button. And within a few seconds, you'll see a beautiful image like this. After that, you can download your favorite image directly from here. In this way, I quickly generate 5 images that match the 5 prompts we previously created, just like I explained. So now I've quickly generated my images. Alright then, let's move on to the next step. Step 2 is animate images. The website I use to animate all the images we previously generated is called Hilo AI. Once you go to this website, you'll see that it allows you to easily turn any image into a video. First, click on the Video option, then upload the first image you generated. After that, scroll down and type a simple prompt like eating foods. Next, under the Model section, select Halo 01 Live and click Generate. After a few minutes, your beautiful animated video will be ready to view. In the same way, you can animate all 5 of your generated images using this website beautifully. The final step is editing. You can use either CapCut or Premiere Pro for this, but today, I'll explain it using CapCut, a free and easy-to-use software that anyone can access. First, open CapCut and import all the videos you previously generated. Then, at the top, you'll see the Transitions option from there. You can add your preferred transitions between clips. You can also visit the Pixabay website to download effects or sound effects and add them to your video. Once everything is ready, you can export the video under your desired settings. What do you think about today's video? Drop a comment and let us know.